everyone, what is up and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ella and in today's video we're going to be doing a huge Shein haul. As you all know, I'm absolutely obsessed with Shein. I have been for a very long time and I was so excited when they reached out and asked to work with me again. So from the 18th of November to the 2nd of December, Shein will actually be holding their annual Black Friday sale. And in this video, I'm going to be styling up and showing you all the items that I picked out from their website. And if you'd like a further discount off of the discounts they will already be having, you can use my code, which I will leave on the screen now. And without further ado, let's get into the video. I actually have the largest box of items. I can't even explain, look. How big it is. Oh! Okay, so the first thing I want to show you is the coziest, the coziest loungewear set I have actually ever owned. It is a three-piece set in this teddy material. So you've got the trousers, a little vest top, and a cardigan, all in that amazing teddy fleece material that is so warm and cozy. Now, I'm not gonna lie, before this haul, I have actually worn it a number of times because as soon as it arrived, I was like, I absolutely cannot resist putting that on right now. I absolutely have to wear this already. And honestly, I have no regrets. It is just like, genuinely, this material is like a warm hug. It is just the warmest, coziest thing I've ever owned in my whole life, honestly. I think now we're spending more time at home, loungewear sets are absolutely what we should be spending our money on. And this loungewear set is next level. I am obsessed with this. I picked this loungewear set up in a size large. So I did actually pick up another loungewear set from Shein, and it is in this brown neutrals colour, and it's basically like this wide leg trouser number. Now, when I saw this on the website, I just took one look at it and knew it would just be the comfiest thing in the world. Like, you know when you just look at something on a website and you just know that A, it's going to fit you perfectly, B, it's going to be really flattering, and C, it's just going to be the comfiest thing ever. That is exactly what I thought when I saw this on the website, and honestly, it lives up to expectation. I have also been non-stop living in this since it arrived. I actually couldn't wait to wear some of the items before this video. Like, I actually got so excited that I had to take them out and wear them already. So yeah, this has actually already been worn many times. I've actually worn this a number of times and I can confirm it is just the comfiest thing to lounge around in ever. It just makes you feel like you're floating around living your life. It's just the best thing. And I picked this up in a size large and I'm so glad I did because I love everything oversized. Okay, so the next thing I picked up from Shein was this beautiful felt beige trench coat. I want to call it a trench coat. And oh my gosh, like this feels like such good quality. I can't even explain. I've wanted a coat like this for so long, and I saw it on the Shein website and I was like, oh my god, I have to have that. Like, this is just the best thing ever. It just gives me autumnal vibes, but also like classy London vibes. Like, when I'm at home, I feel like this is exactly the kind of thing that I should be wearing. Do you know what I mean? Like, it's definitely not, I wouldn't say it's like student campus vibes, but it's like classy going into London vibes, which I'm here for. And obviously once I'm allowed to go back into London, that is what I shall be doing. But yeah, I just think this is so cute. And I just think this is gonna be me living my classy life in London, going for drinks, on my dates, or with the girls, you know? Just like through London. If you see me in London wearing this coat with my cocktails, then mind your business. But yeah, I picked this up in a size large and I honestly think that was a really good size to go for. It feels so soft and like it feels like actually heavy. Like, you know when you get a good quality coat and it's like weighted and you know it's going to be really comfortable and warm on? That is exactly what this coat is like, and I'm so excited to wear this out, honestly. And we're now on to the checkered tops. We all knew this was coming. It's an autumn winter haul with yours truly. Of course there was going to be checkered shirts in there somewhere. Now, if you've been following me on Instagram, you've already seen me wear this, but this is the first checkered shirt that I picked up, and I absolutely love this shirt. It's actually more of a jacket. I'd actually call it more of like a jacket because it's very warm, it's quite thick, and I have worn this out as a jacket before. With this weather where it's kind of like humid, warm and cold all at the same time, I feel like this is the perfect thing to be wearing because it's not too warm, not too cold, but it definitely is really cute and very autumnal, and I I just love the colours of this as well. It's like a grey, greeny kind of colour. It's very like understated and classy, and I just love this. I love this so much. I picked this up in a size large. Okay, so the other checkered jacket that I picked up was this pink brownie like checkered jacket. Honestly, this is so soft. This is actually slightly fluffy, which when it came I was like, oh, like how warm. Can you imagine? I feel like this will actually be really good to wear in winter as well, because this one's a little bit thicker than the other one, but like in a really good way. Like this looks so warm and cozy, and also I just really love the colours. Like this is really unique. You don't see many checkered shirts that are sort of brown and pink, and like neutrals and pink at the same time, and I just thought this was really girly, really cute. And yeah, again, I'm a massive fan of checkered shirts. You guys know this. They're like my favourite thing to live in all year round. So this will be getting plenty of wear. Again, I picked this up in a size large. Okay, so the next item I picked up is actually a dress, and it's actually like a pinafore type dress. So you're meant to wear a shirt under it, but it is this very smart, very like preppy tweed dress that you're meant to wear like a long sleeve top under it. That's how the lady styled it up on the website, and I just thought this is so cute. Like I really wanted some like autumnal dresses, and I just feel like this absolutely is what I'm looking for. It's very like university campus vibes. Do you know what I mean? Like I look at this dress and I think that is a smart uni student. You will see me rocking up to the library, socially distanced with face masks, of course, in this dress. I'm obsessed with it, absolutely obsessed with it. Can we just talk about how nice this is? Oh my god. And the quality of this, bang on, so high quality. I love the skirt, I love how it flares out. I just think that this is such a win. This is such an amazing dress. I picked this up in a size medium. Now in this haul I also picked out some underwear. Of course I'm not going to model this underwear for you, I'm afraid. If you want that you can head to my OnlyFans. I'm joking. But the first thing I picked up was just this basic grey bra. Now I have so many tops where like I just need a basic grey or white bra, but I actually don't own either of those things. All of my bras are either funky, fun coloured bras, or they are like lacy, non-padded bras, which you can't really wear with like certain tops. And so I just thought I'll just get like a simple grey bra to wear under some of the... I'll just get a simple grey bra that I can wear all the time. And this feels like really good quality. The underwiring feels really great. It looks like it's going to be a great fit. And yeah, this is from their new basic collection, by the way. So they've just released a whole new basic collection on the Shein website. And I think that this is such a shout. I think this is so nice. Also, you can never get enough of like basic bras, do you know what I mean? Like they'll always come in handy somewhere. Okay, so the next thing I picked up was this long sleeved top jumper type thing, and it says on the front California West Coast. And I'm not gonna lie, the material of this is quite thin. It's quite sort of breathable and like floaty. Like the material is quite thin, but I genuinely don't think that's a bad thing. Like I don't have many long sleeve tops that aren't jumpers, so I thought that this would definitely like come in amazing with just like a pair of mum jeans, a leather jacket. It's very much like, I thought this definitely is campus vibes. Like this is very cute, very classy, and I feel like it's the perfect transitional autumn top too. So I picked this up in a size medium. I also picked up another lingerie set from Shein, which I will just quickly show you now. So it's just this matching black set, and at the back it has this sort of like detailing, and then it's one of those like open front ones, which I cannot open right now. Yeah, so it's one of those open front ones which we use to confuse and mystify all the men. This is just another lingerie set. I think this looks really cute, and it looks like it's going to fit really well. It's really good quality, I have to say. Like the lace on this is actually really good quality, and I'm really excited to wear this. I feel like you can't go wrong with a black matching set, do you know what I mean? Okay, so the next top I picked up was this very smart, classy top. It's like a button-up top, and I actually have so many different visions for this top. So the first vision I have was like workwear, so I was thinking I could style this up with some smart trousers and, you know, leave it all the way buttoned up to the top, and when I finally go into like a workplace or for a job interview, I think this would be the perfect top to wear with like some very smart trousers. At least that was my thinking. So I just felt like this was a very versatile top, and I feel like I could wear this in many different situations and make it like socially acceptable. And I also just love the pattern. Like, this pattern is so cute. It's like this sort of like Dalmatian dotty pattern. I think it's amazing. I actually just love it. Okay, so the next top I picked up was this leopard print bodysuit. Now, I actually have a top that is leopard print in my wardrobe. I can actually see it right now. But I don't have any like bodysuits that are in animal print, and I saw this bodysuit and I just thought it's so nice, and I just can imagine myself wearing it in many different situations. It looked really comfortable, and also it just looked really flattering. Like, I thought that, you know, if I wore it with some mum jeans or some Joni jeans or whatever, it would just very nicely cover up any lumps, any bumps, any rolls of fat, that kind of thing. And yeah, I just think this is so cute. Okie dokie, we're on to the next piece. Okay, so I did actually pick up another dress, and my mum has been eyeing up this dress ever since it arrived. She literally said, like, that is the cutest dress I've ever seen. And I have to agree with her, it is very nice. So I've got this long sleeve wrap green dress, which I thought had summery vibes, but I thought if you wore some tights with it, then I thought it would definitely be a little bit more like reserved and like autumnal. You could definitely wear it in the autumn. And I just thought, like, with a leather jacket you could definitely dress this down and make this look really cute. So I could definitely wear it in summer as well. So it's not like once this season ends I won't be able to wear this. I'll be able to wear this in many different situations, which I'm very excited about. I also just love like the detailing at the bottom. Like, it kind of like flares out at certain points, and I think that will be really flattering for my figure. So next thing I picked up was a black two-set, where the bottom is a pair of flares and the top is like this really cute black tank top. Now, my housemate Amy has this amazing pair of black flares, and she always wears them out, and I always think that they look so amazing on her. So I thought to myself, I'm gonna pick myself up some black flares and I'm gonna see if they suit me, and I'm gonna potentially wear them out, because I just think every time she wears them I'm always just like, they look so good on you. I picked these up and I'm very excited to wear them. I have a feeling that they will be really flattering, so hopefully that will go well for me and it will give me the vibes that I'm hoping for. But yeah, it's kind of got this like ribbed pattern on it. I don't know if you can see that, but it's like ribbed, so I know that it will be flattering because it will make like the lines look smooth. So the final thing I picked up was from the Shein premium range. Now, I haven't picked up anything from the premium range before, but I saw this jumper on there and I thought, oh my god, that is the most unique, like just coolest pattern I've ever seen, and I just really wanted to wear it just because I thought it just looked so cool. So it is this tie-dye crop jumper. It's kind of like this greeny black sort of tie-dye, and I saw it and I just thought, like, that is so nice. Like, I can picture myself wearing that in so many different situations. And I just loved the tie-dye. I'm not gonna lie, I'm still an absolute tie-dye fiend. I still love the tie-dye trend, even though it died probably about 3 months ago. But I don't care. I'm gonna keep wearing tie-dye, and no one can stop me. That's kind of what I've decided. So this is getting a yes from me. I will be wearing this with mum jeans, with Joni jeans, with leggings. Oh my god. And actually, do you know, I would say that this quality, I would actually say this is really good quality. It is Shein premium, but that is actually like really good quality, like top notch. So maybe it is worth spending the extra money for Shein premium, to be fair, if you see anything on there you like. So this is actually only part one of what will be a 2-part haul. I'm going to be filming another Shein haul very soon, so look out for that on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell if you would like a notification every time I upload a new video. If you'd like to follow me on Instagram, then my handle is ella.houghton. Follow me on there for all the most up-to-date information on what is going on in my life, and follow me on TikTok. My handle is ella.houghton and the last O is a 0. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!